Hey, this is Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. I'm here with Jodie, back again after 1 year of usage of the beautiful swim spa in your backyard, asking some of the questions that consumers have. At Hydropool, we always talk, our slogan is the power of water. Whether it's a hot tub, whether it's a swim spa, how does the power of water affect your life? Talk to me about the backyard and how the water and the atmosphere has helped you over the year.
I mean, it really surprised me because we spend so much time in here without our phones, and you find that they're the best moments in your day, truly. Often if we're just even sitting around in the living room, we're on our phones, we're distracted with, sweeping the floor. You're not having to do any of that in here.
Yeah.
So I really, I buy into that power of water because it not only gives us that time together, but you feel so good just chilling in the swim spa. And
So it gives you the ability to reconnect, right?
It does.
I think, to me, it's super important right now because everyone's connected to the phone. So actually, you know what, Jody? I have a very similar story. I don't have a swim spa, I have a hot tub, but in our backyard, I call it the hot tub of truth. And I'm sure it's the same thing with the swim spa. I promised my daughter one thing. We have a self-cleaning hot tub, you have a self-cleaning swim spa, and you can work, when Max gets older, it'll work perfectly. Say that, you know what, we get into the hot tub or swim spa, and we have a self-cleaning filtration system. Anything you tell me inside, this is a sacred space. It will be filtered out and never to be spoken of again. Now, there are a lot of things, Jody, I don't want to hear from my daughter, but I hear them inside that swim spa or inside my hot tub that I'm able to talk about that don't get talked about at dinner tables or on the couch because there's too much technology. So I call it my hot tub of truth. You can call this your swim spa of truth. Work?
yeah, sounds good.
Good stuff.